What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. We're discussing how to get an EIN number. It's super nice and easy, and it's super fast, and it is free. Okay, do not fall under that trap of going to some of these websites and paying $70 like I did 4 years ago to get an EIN. Okay, you don't have to do that. It's completely free from the IRS website. All you have to do is go on here and enter EIN. And by the way, your EIN is pretty much your social security number for your business. That way, when you do your taxes, your business and your personal are completely separate. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say about that. I'm not a CPA, I'm not a financial advisor. Consult with them. And let's go here, employer ID numbers, and we're gonna go ahead and apply for one online. Apply now. Okay, so just make sure you're following along. That's gonna be a fast video. And then I'm a limited liability company, like most people that do LLCs. So I'm gonna click there. And then let's continue. And how many members? For right now, I'm gonna put one, and I'm in the state of California. Okay. By the way, I'm thinking about moving to Florida. So comment down below which state you're from, and if you have any recommendations, if you live in Florida, which cities I should move to. So definitely hit me up down there on the comment section. I'm gonna read every single one and reply. And let's go here, continue. Now, why is the LLC requesting an EIN? I'm just gonna put starting a new business. And some of this stuff is going to be personal. I'm just going to put my name here. It's okay. You guys can see who I am. And let's go and put that right there. And I'm just going to leave that blank. I have to put my social. They do check this, so they do verify if it's in their database. And then let's go ahead and continue. Street address. I'm just going to go ahead and fill all that out. And that's a no. And then let's continue, accept as entered. And hopefully I'm not going too fast for you guys. I'm just gonna put my last name, Herpic LLC. And let's go ahead and say, yep, I'm in California. And we're gonna put here what county I'm in. And let's go ahead and continue. State, territory, or articles of organizations. Once again, I'm in California. And let's go ahead and put LLC start date. Right now is October 2021. So I'm just going to put October 2021 here. Nice and easy. And guys, please make sure you're following along. It's super easy. Does your business own a highway motor vehicle? I'm going to put no. Does your business involve gambling? Definitely not. Keep down the low. No, I don't gamble. And I don't involve myself in that. Does your business need to file Form 720 excise tax return? I believe this is mostly for like airlines or anybody who's selling tires. I think you can click on that. Yeah. Does your business mine coal? Does your business sell tires? I'm not. Does your business, do transportation by air? That's not us. Okay. So unless that's you, then that's you. But for me, that's not me. Does your business sell or manufacture alcohol? No, I don't. I don't manufacture alcohol or tobacco. And let's go ahead. Do you have any employees who receive a Form W-2? For now, I'm going to put no. It's just going to be me. And let's continue. Now, let's see. It's going to ask, what does your business or organization do? Once again, I'm an Amazon seller. So I'm going to go ahead and click retail/internet sales. Make sure you choose whatever is appropriate for you. Okay. By the way, links below for learning how to do Amazon, selling products on Amazon. It's super easy. It's so fun. You can definitely flip products even from Costco. But anyway, enough about that. This video is just about EIN. Okay. You have chosen retail. And I'm just going to put selling goods exclusively over the internet. That's what I do. So if you had picked something else, then the next screen would be different for you. So it's just going to ask you a little more about what you're going to be doing, and it's going to be pretty self-explanatory. I'm selling goods exclusively over the internet, okay? Amazon.com. How would you like to receive your EIN confirmation letter? Normally, I just like to get it online. I don't want them to mail it to me. I could end up losing it or just not track it somewhere. So, guys, so this is just a whole recap on getting your EIN. and then you just click submit. It says once you submit, please wait while your application is being processed. It can take up to 2 minutes, for your application to be processed and all that. So, guys, nice and easy. That is how to get your EIN number. Do not pay for one, okay? Do not pay for one. And make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like the video, share the video with all your family and friends, and I hope to bring you guys more content. All right, see you on the next one.